Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your keyboard in your laptop when it's not working. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows 10 or 11, and from here what we're gonna do is first we're gonna go here into our start menu, and from here we're gonna type in device manager. And from here in our device manager, once you open this up, is that we're gonna update our keyboard driver, which can be found right here in the keyboard section. So right here, so you want to expand this, and then you can see your keyboard devices right here. So you want to update all of them right here. So just search automatically for drivers and make sure that the best drivers or the latest drivers are installed for each one. As you can see in my case, the best drivers are already installed. But if in your case, if it's not, then I suggest that you download and install the update right away. And after that, after you have made sure that you have the best drivers and it's still not working, then what I can suggest is go into your start menu again and go into your power options. Power options right here, and then you can go here, power and sleep settings right here, and from here you want to go click here on additional power settings right here, and from here what we're going to do is choose what the power button do. So you want to click on this one right here, click on it, and then from here we're gonna go and disable this, turn on fast startup. So we're gonna disable, as you can see we can do that. So we need to click here on change settings that are currently unavailable, and once you click on that, then this will be now available right here. So make sure to turn this off, and after that you want to click on save changes right there, and then you're gonna go and exit. And then next thing is that you want to restart your computer right here in the start button, and then power button, and then click on restart. But in my case, I don't want to restart this because I'm still gonna show you the next step. So once you have restarted your computer and it's still not working, or you want to test if it's working, then you can go into your browser, and then from here go into keyboard tester right here, keyboardtester.com, or right here. As you can see right here, click on it and launch the tester. And then now you can see if it's working right here, and as you can see mine is working perfectly fine. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.